Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So it's that time of year again. Harbor Freight is doing their 40% off sale off all Icon wrenches. This is usually the deal that everyone is kind of waiting for. It's this one and the one they usually do off of ratchets as well. But this one seems to get a lot of people excited. I know last year when they did this, when I had to basically go online in order to get what I wanted, and I still wasn't able to get all the wrenches that I wanted at the time. And I had to, go to another Harbor Freight to basically find everything that I wanted. But anyways, let's kind of get into it. What I want to do here with this video, obviously this isn't new news to people that are kind of looking at what's going on, but I wanted to go through kind of my collection that I currently have of Icon and which ones I kind of like and which ones I think are definitely going to be worth buying and, maybe which ones to skip. And there's kind of a whole category that I've decided to skip on Icon wrenches, but kind of wait towards the end here and we'll kind of go over that and we'll go from there. So let's kind of start off here. So again, 40% off of all of their wrenches. What you have in front of me here is going to be all of my metric version of my Icon wrenches. I have all these in SAE as well, but I didn't want to, have a ton more wrenches, on my workbench here. So I figured, we can get the picture just by looking at this, but I can kind of go over the pricing and things like that if you guys are interested. So I'm going to go from cheapest to kind of most expensive, and then talk about some notable ones in there as well. So the first one we're going to kind of talk about right here is going to be the Stubby wrenches right here. So the Stubby wrench is a 10-piece set from 10 millimeter all the way to 19 millimeter. Great little set. I've definitely used these guys quite a bit. 10 millimeter obviously is going to be one of my favorites. It's a great little guy just to kind of have with you. It's nice because all the Icon ones come in this snap-on style tray as well. So you can kind of stack them. In my toolbox I have these things kind of stacked in there, so I can kind of grab and go and use what I need, basically put them back in there. They definitely take up a lot of space doing it that way, but it's one way for me to kind of keep them nice and clean, as you guys can see here. So these ones, whether you do the metric or the SAE, it's a 10-piece set. They're $40 normal price, so now they're going to be about $24. I think a pretty good deal for some Stubby wrenches for $24. Next up is going to be the offsets. So these offsets are great little ones if you're trying to get into places that you can't get normally with a regular wrench. These ones, it's a 5-piece set, again, whether you do SAE or metric, and they're going to be $50, so they're going to be $30 after the sale price. And then with these guys right here, you're starting at 10 millimeter and going all the way up to 19 millimeter, and you're going to see that kind of as their standard kind of going through here. A lot of the stuff goes from 10 to 19, depending on what you're kind of getting. So I'm only going over the metric ones. For the SAE ones, check out to see if they have what you need. I don't use a lot of SAE, so whenever I'm showing stuff off, I prefer to show off the metric because that's the stuff that I actually use and can kind of talk about a little bit more. Next up is going to be the S wrenches. These things are definitely interesting to have. Honestly, I haven't really found a need to use these quite yet, although I have them in the collection just in case I do. But these ones are definitely designed to kind of get around obstacles and stuff like that. A lot of things I work on don't have obstacles like in a regular engine bay would, but I can definitely see where these things would come in handy. So you have this nice little kind of S curve that will get you around different objects. And again, this guy's going to go from 10 millimeter all the way up to 19 millimeter as well. So this one is $50, so also it'll be about $30 after the discount. Kind of continuing on, let's look at the angled wrenches or four-way wrenches, depending on what you guys kind of call them. So with these guys are great. Sometimes when you're at an odd angle on the actual bolt or nut itself and you need to get a little bit of extra leverage, you can kind of use these guys right here. So this one has almost like a somewhat similar to a regular box end, just a little bit of angled here and then a significant angle over here, so you guys can kind of tackle the project at different angles. This one, however, is one of the only ones if you look at, it's going to go from let's take a look here. This one goes from 10 millimeter all the way up to 17 millimeter right there. Before I move on to the next set, the next sets are going to be the ones that are kind of the most popular. They're the ones that were compared to the Snap-on Flank Drive and Flank Drive Plus. And Quick notable mention on a couple sets that I actually don't have here in front of me is going to be the long metric and SAE, and then the large metric and SAE. Those ones range from about $65 to $90 depending on which one you guys need to get. I don't use a lot of that stuff, so those ones I didn't buy before, although I might look at them this time around since I already have the rest of the sets that they have in Icon, so maybe kind of complete the set and go from there. But let's kind of skip on and go to I think again these are going to be probably the most popular. If this is anything like it was last year when they did the 40% off, the first set that's probably going to be gone is going to be the one that you're looking at here in front of you. This is the metric. This is the anti-slip set that basically has the Flank Drive Plus style teeth, on here, and just a kind of a regular 12 point box end right there. Everyone compared these to Snap-on. There's all those videos kind of going around of them beating Snap-on at their own game on the Snap-on truck with the nylon nut where the Snap-on slipped first. I can kind of show you here real quick. I have my trusty Snap-on 10mm that kind of just sits on a magnet, on my workbench as one of my most used wrenches. But this one right here is basically going to be its direct competition. So you guys can kind of see how similar they are. Obviously this one looks much newer because I've had this guy. This thing is, I think, 20 plus years old, maybe a little bit longer. But anyway, so you can kind of see the similarities here between them. And you can kind of see how the teeth on there are a bit aggressive. So one thing to note about these is they will potentially mar your fastener when you're trying to get these off, but they definitely do bite very well. One kind of notable difference, however, is that the Icon have kind of that V groove or the notch right there where the Snap-on do not. So it kind of depends on what you guys are looking for. These ones are $130, so they would be $78, I believe, if my math is correct, on the sale. And these things, whenever they're sub $100, I think it's a pretty good deal. For wrenches, I tend to go more towards things like gear wrench and stuff like that, but Icon, when they're on sale, I think that they're a pretty good deal. When they're full price, I would prefer to go with gear wrench personally, but that's just me. Please leave in the comments kind of down below, what you guys think. And then there's also their other set, which is pretty much identical, so I'm not going to go too much over it, but this is their set of kind of the regular flank drive, as they call it. So basically all that means is that it does not have the teeth on this end right here. It's kind of just smooth basically, but it's designed to go onto the flank of the nut or bolt. But honestly, most wrenches are designed to do that nowadays, even though Snap-on, I believe, was the inventor of that. I think it was like in the 70s or something like that. And if I'm not mistaken, it was the military that basically came to them asking them to design that for them. So this set, if you don't care about the anti-slip, is a $10 cheaper, so it's $120, so it would be about $72 after the discounts. But there is definitely something to say to having both of the sets, because like I mentioned, with these aggressive teeth right here, these things are probably going to mar the fastener on the open end if you're trying to get things off, where if for more of a day-to-day thing, the regular set I think would be a good way to go. Now, I kind of said at the beginning of the video that there's some Icon wrenches that I would skip. So I already kind of mentioned the long and large ones. That one for me, again, I just don't work on stuff that's usually larger than 19 millimeters anyways. Honestly, most of the stuff I work on, 17 millimeters, the largest that it goes. But for you guys that work on larger things, they do have those sets that go much bigger, and they also have the long form of these as well. I already have the gear wrench long form, so that's why I didn't decide to buy the Icon version. So that's why I did this. And then as far as the ratcheting wrenches, you guys probably noticed I don't have any of the Icon ratcheting wrenches. And again, please leave your comments down below if you guys disagree. But I found that the gear wrench ratcheting wrenches get the job done, work really well, and they're much cheaper. And so for me, I've kind of stuck with the gear wrench when it comes to the ratcheting wrenches. Maybe at some point, and again, maybe during the sale, I'll kind of take a peek and look at it and see if maybe I'll start off with maybe some Stubby ratcheting wrenches, since they're not too expensive, and maybe kind of go from there. But I just wanted to do kind of a quick video since it was just announced that they're doing this 40% off on the ones that I would definitely kind of go for. Honestly, and actually, you know what? I'm sorry, I missed actually one set. I forgot to talk about the crow's feet. The crow's feet should be also included, in this sale. this is the metric set. It's 11 piece. It's $60. So again, it'll be about $36. Definitely nice to have crow's feet, in your collection. Although I will say definitely this case takes up a lot of space for crow's feet, but it's a nice looking case at least. If I was going to say, which ones you should go for, if you don't have any Icon wrenches right now, the first one I would probably grab is going to be one of these two sets, if not both of them. Again, for, $70 something a piece, you're almost getting them, two for the price of one, at 40% off. So I think that's a pretty good deal personally. But again, depends on kind of what your day-to-day looks like. If you're working on a lot of kind of rusted and stubborn fasteners, the anti-slip I think are going to be a good way to go. If you're working on things where you don't want to mar up the fastener, I think the regular ones are going to be a good way to go. Like I've kind of mentioned, at least for me, the S-type, I got them, again, when they were 40% off. I just thought they were a pretty good deal. Figured I'd use them at some point. I still haven't. Offsets, definitely nice to have. The Stubbies, definitely, I would actually recommend the Stubbies, especially when they're only $24. I think that's a steal for this kind of quality that you're getting. And, if you guys have never tried Icon wrenches and you're just not sure whether you want to kind of jump, into this ecosystem or not, this is actually a nice way to get into it. Like I said, $24, you get, this full set right here from 10 to 19 millimeters. And you can basically decide if, it's the quality that you want. The quality on one of these guys is going to be the same as the full sets that you see below there, just obviously in a stubby fashion. And one thing I think I forgot to mention is that these sets right here, they actually go all the way down to 6 millimeters and then go up to 19. So it's a 14-piece set that you're getting for the 130 or 120 or after the sale 78 and 72. So again, this is the sale. Let's get ready for it. If you're watching this the day it comes out, you got 2 days to prepare. It's going to be on 12/20 of 2025. And like I said, if you guys are looking to get these sets specifically, I'm guessing these are going to sell out very, very quickly. Some of the more oddball ones, the S, the offsets, the angled wrenches, and the crow's feet tend to last a little bit longer, there. So if you have your eye on this, I would line up, 8 a.m. on the 20th in order to get those. And that's that's kind of my advice when it comes to Icon wrenches. And tell me, what do you guys think about me skipping the ratcheting ones altogether? Should I actually give them a look again? Do you guys use them? Do you like them? Or do you kind of agree with my assessment of, hey, I'll just stick with my gear wrench ratcheting wrenches and kind of go from there? So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.